Welcome to All American Eats, exploring the delicious world of American cuisines. Today, we'll take you on a mouth-watering journey through the diverse flavors of American food. So, let's dive right in. Did you know that American cuisine is a melting pot of cultures and influences? From Southern comfort food to savory Tex-Mex, the United States offers a wide range of delectable dishes that will tantalize your taste buds. Let's start in the South, where fried chicken and fluffy biscuits reign supreme. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, there's nothing quite like that perfect bite of Southern fried chicken. And who could resist a warm, flaky biscuit slathered with butter or smothered in creamy gravy? Heading west to Texas, you'll find yourself in barbecue heaven. Tender, slow-cooked meats with smoky, tangy flavors guaranteed to make your mouth water. Whether it's brisket, pulled pork, or juicy ribs, Texans take their barbecue seriously. Now, let's travel to the East Coast, where the iconic New York City hot dog steals the show. Served with a side of sauerkraut, mustard, and onions. This simple yet satisfying treat is a true New York staple. But we can't forget about the West Coast. In California, it's all about fresh ingredients and vibrant flavors. From fish tacos to avocado toast, California cuisine showcases the state's love for healthy, delicious food. And of course, we can't leave out classic American desserts. From creamy New York-style cheesecake to gooey apple pie, these timeless treats will satisfy any sweet tooth. So, whether you're indulging in Southern soul food or savoring a coastal delicacy, American cuisine offers something for everyone to enjoy. Join us next time as we continue our culinary adventure around the world. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious content like this.